Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because this poor video, I have promised you for a while that I was going to share my primer favorites for the summer. And I know it's like the end of the summer going into fall. I don't know what you consider it. Here it's still summer. But I still wanted to share my favorite hot weather primers that are really going to get your foundation to stay all day, to look great for someone that has dry skin. I have dry skin. You guys already know the deal with that. So I can't wait to share these with you guys. I hope you really enjoy it. If you missed my favorite summer hot weather foundations, I'll link that video up in an iCard so you can go check it out next. But yeah, if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Bondbeautyful. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but this month I'm going a little slower with just Wednesday, Friday, but I'm letting you know that after this month it's normal again. All right, let's just get started. So as I go through my primers, I'm going to share whether I think they're better for humid or dry or both type of climates, because I came from a really hot, dry climate to a hot, humid climate, and there is a big difference. So I'll share those. Let's start with my favorite primer for all year round. This is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. If you have dry skin and you haven't tried out this primer, what are you doing? You need to go try it out. I'll put the link for all these down below. This is so good. You can go crazy with this primer and it's just, your skin will still just be hydrated and beautiful. It really sticks to the foundation. But in the summertime, I don't go crazy. I put a small amount and I put it all over the skin, especially if you live somewhere where it's humid. In the summertime, you want to be careful. But if you live somewhere where it's dry, you're still going to need some hydration, girl. So this one is just, it's so good. I just love it so much. Okay, next. This one, this is the cheapest primer I'm going to share with you guys. This is the AOA Studio Clean Slate Primer. Yes, AOA Studio, you guys. You can find them at Shop Miss A, their website. This is $1 or $1.99. I don't remember, but it's so good because it really just gives your skin that like flawless look. It really fixes your imperfections, helps if you have texture, and it's not going to have you looking like a sweaty mess because of the sweat from the heat. Basically, it's really good for hot, humid climates, and I really like this primer. It's super good. Okay, so this is a really good primer, especially if you live in like humidity, because yeah, it's gonna make your skin look good without looking greasy, because if you have dry skin, you don't have greasy skin. You have sweaty, hot skin from being outside and it's hot, but it could look greasy. So if you live somewhere humid, this is a really good one. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love putting this all over the skin. It's really going to, again, fill in those pores, any texture, but it also is going to stick to your foundation. And I just really like how this looks on my skin, especially in the humidity. I stay away from this in the winter months. This is like hot, humid climate, summertime primer. That did not even make sense, but this is for the summer, not for the winter time. And if you live somewhere dry, this just isn't my favorite for dry. Okay. My number one favorite primer, you guys, my number one favorite primer. It works in the humidity, it works in the dry, and it's literally the only primer I've been using lately because it's so good. Like if I could only do one primer for the summertime, this would be it. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I don't know why this has such a bad rap, but every time I use it, it is so good. If you have dry skin, you need this. Now, do keep in mind that I feel like primers can ball up if you have a brush and you're like swiping foundation on like this. Anytime I use a brush, I either pat it in or I use a sponge. So keep that in mind. The big thing with this is that people say it balls up. You get little balls with your foundation, that you don't really like it. I never had a problem with it, but again, I always pat my foundation in. I do not swipe it around. This one grips onto your foundation. I've been wearing my makeup now for like 12 hours. This grips onto your foundation like nobody's business. Every single foundation I've tried with this, I have absolutely loved. And it gives you a hydration while really sticking so that your foundation doesn't melt off your face. I absolutely love this primer. I think it is amazing, and I use quite a bit all over my face, and I start applying my foundation before this dries. I don't let this dry on my face. That's another little tip with the Hydro Grip. Use a good amount and don't let it dry before you start putting on your foundation. So this is my absolute favorite. Now I have a little bonus for you guys because I realized in my favorite summertime foundations, I completely forgot one foundation that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm actually wearing it today, and I love it for the summertime. And I have it specifically only in my summer shade because I don't think it works well in the winter, but in the summer hotness, it is amazing for dry skin. So I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I love this. I love this so much. I'm in the shade Warm Beige right now, which is my tan shade. This is, you know, if you're trying to shade match, I always have shades down below, although the ones I listed are, I think, are just my winter shade. But Peach Perfect, Warm Beige, so good. It has a matte finish, but it looks so flawless on the skin. It's not too matte for the summertime. I feel like my dry skin still does really well with it, and it just lasts all day. So I used this and my Grip primer today, and this combo is just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love Too Faced foundations. They're really good, and the packaging is just so cute, and it does have a pump, and it's a squeezy tube, so I feel like you could totally travel with this. I absolutely love it. So I wanted to give you guys this bonus foundation. I don't think I mentioned it, but I love it. I just barely pulled it out, and I was like, wait a minute, that's my favorite summertime foundation, and I didn't share it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I just wanted to get this video out there and share with you guys my favorite summertime primers. I hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe, and tell me what foundation you're wearing currently that you think is amazing. Let me know in the comments. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.